So, hi dear Aries, a very good morning to you guys. This is Anjali Tarot, and this is a general love reading for all the Aries, Sun, Moon, Venus, Rising. Keep in mind, this is general. It might or might not resonate with you at the first place. The second thing, the roles can be reversed anytime. The third thing, this is a reading from 11th till the 22nd of January. So, let's start. Aries, your partner's current energies towards you or current feelings for you right now are, let's see. Aries. Okay. Let's see. Queen of Cups. So your partner right now is not showing their true emotions to you, although they have lots of love for you, although they have lots of care for you, but I don't think this person is showing this to you. So this person is being silent with you, or this person is not talking to you. Might be you guys are not on talking terms, but this person is trying to, figure out some things in their life that are very important for them, apart from you, apart from this connection, trying to figure out few things and set them right. Okay, let me clarify the Queen of Cups as their feelings for you. Two of Pentacles and the Four of Pentacles and the Five of Swords. Yeah, see, from 2 to 4 to 5 it is happening. It's a conflict. They are constantly juggling. They are holding back their emotions because of some ego battles, because of some fights that you guys had, because they are in their head about you right now. Okay, they are not able to decide anything. They are not able to decide what kind of feelings they are having for you, but they have feelings for you. They genuinely care for you, and they genuinely feel for you, but they are constantly juggling. Might be between you and somebody else, might be between them and a certain situation that they're dealing with, or might be between the past and the present situation regarding this particular connection. So they're not sure. They're not sure what is happening. Or might be you guys had a fallout and you guys are dealing with some kind of ego battles right now, and their ego is not allowing them to show what they're feeling for you. Okay, let's see what you feel for them, Aries, your feelings for this person. Judgment. Okay, you feel a soul tie with this particular person. You feel a soul connection with this particular person. You feel like having a reconciliation, giving them a second chance and judging them. Basically, you are judging this person a lot. You are being a judgment freak right now. Okay, you are trying your best not to judge them, but you are doing it consciously or subconsciously. It's not in your hands actually. So Judgment card is telling me that you are not able to release this person completely from your energy. You are trying your best to release them, but you are not able to do that. Okay, this is what you are feeling right now. Let me clarify. The Judgment card is your feelings for them. Let's see. The Ten of Pentacles, the Fool and the Devil. Okay, you want to have a breakthrough. You want to restart this connection with them. You want to take a leap of faith with them, but there's certain kind of toxicity and negativity that is holding you back. There's some kind of obsession here. There's some kind of negative or toxic situation here that you are not able to release. Okay, might be see, the third party is not always a romantic third party. It could be anybody who is interfering in the connection. So might be there is a third party connection, or there is third party interference in this relationship, and that's why you are not able to move forward with this connection. You want peace and contentment, but I don't see commitment energy. You want to go with the flow. You want to take a leap of faith. You feel like it's not like you want this. You feel like having a leap of faith with this person again. You want to feel, you feel like giving them a chance again. But again, there's something negative. There's something toxic in this connection that is not allowing you to do this. Okay, let me see what this person wants from you, Aries. Let's see what this person wants from you. Hermit, you could be dealing with a Virgo here, Capricorn, and I'm getting strong energy of Aries, Cancer, Pisces, and Scorpio as well. So what they want from you is right now a resolution, a soul tie, a soul connection. They want you to go within and understand what the root of this problem is and how to treat this problem from the root. This is what they want from you. I have to clarify this. They are being very silent with you. I can see that you guys are in no communication at all. or if there is communication that is like just normal communication of hi hello kind of situation, I don't see a beautiful flow of communication that is, you know, going on completely. No. Okay, let me clarify. The Hermit, the Death, okay, the Ace of Cups and the World. Okay, they want to end the past situation and they want to restart a cycle with you with love. They sorry, you want sorry, they want, yeah. Sorry. So they want to end the past cycle with you. Okay, could be dealing with a Scorpio here. There's there's an ending. There is an ending. In the recent past, I can see there was an ending between you guys. Okay, what this person wants from you is love. This cup of love they want, and they feel like they still feel like there is some kind of unfinished business left in this connection. So they want you to restart this cycle with them again with love. Open up from the place of love, not from the place of, you know, fights and conflicts and ego battles or egotism. They just want you to understand the soul connection between you and them and start this cycle with love, with honesty, with pure love, nothing but pure love. Okay, this is what this person wants from you. Let's see what you want from this person. Six of Cups. You also want a reconciliation with this person. You also want to bring the past energy back in this connection. Okay, you are missing this person. You are feeling severe nostalgia, and you are in this verge of let's start again and let's make it as it was in the past. Okay, let's make it beautiful as it was in the past. You want to make it beautiful with them. You want this person back in your life. You want a reconciliation, Aries. You want a reconciliation. This is your energy which is telling me again and again that you are ready for a reconciliation. You are ready for a brand new start. See the Six of Cups in the bottom of the deck as well. But there's something that is stopping you from doing that. There's some kind of negativity. There's some kind of toxicity. There's some kind of things or interference, negative interference that is stopping you from doing this thing. Okay, figure out the negativity and clear out the negativity. Okay, let me clarify the Six of Cups. You want them back in your life and you want the energy back. Yeah, this is Aries here. You want this is you, the Emperor card, the Tower, the Page of Wands and the Emperor. This is something big. This is something really big. You want them to realize. You want them to realize that there is potential in this connection. You want them to open up to you, and you want them to suddenly come out of nowhere and talk to you and decide something and talk to you. See, Emperor, this is you energy. This is you, Aries. So you want them to suddenly realize and suddenly open up, you know, and just talk to you. And after talking to you, after restarting the communication, you want this connection back on track as it was, as it used to be between you guys. Okay, this is what you want from this person. Okay, let's see what action they are going to take towards you by 22nd. Let's see what action are they going to take towards you by the 22nd of January. Lovers. Okay, I feel they will come out and talk to you and this connection will restart. But I have to clarify the Lovers. This is the decision making. Certain kind of decision is coming towards you regarding this particular connection, whomsoever you are dealing with right now. This person is going to take a decision finally regarding this connection, and I feel like this is going to be the final and full and final decision regarding this connection. No more mind games, no more delaying, no more like playing games with you. This is going to be final. Let me clarify the Lovers. Six of Wands and the Five of Cups and the Nine of Pentacles. They are going to take a decision. What decision they are going to take is just right now just to focus on yourself. Okay, although they are sad, although they are depressed, although they are in this zone of like feeling a lot of pain, feeling a lot of regret, feeling a lot of, you know, not able to do anything kind of situation in their life right now, but they will take a decision to walk away right now, might be, or they will take a decision to become something in their life first, then return back to you. It could also be possible that this person, lovers is the card of Gemini also, and this is the card of attraction also, a soul connection as well. This person feels a soul connection with you. This person feels a lot of love and emotions for you, but right now they feel like this is not the right time. This is just not the right time for them to stay connected with you or be in a relationship with you again. So that's why they're holding back. Lots of things are making them hold back for the time being. Okay, and till the 22nd of January, I feel like they are going to decide that they are going to focus on themselves only. Okay, and you should also focus on yourself only. Although they are hurt, although they are sad, although they are depressed and regretting what happened in the past, but I don't see this person coming back to your life and making things right in this relationship. For them, the right thing right now is to focus on themselves only, their independence, their finances, their money. This is the right thing to do right now for them. Okay, this is the decision that is they are going to make towards this particular connection right now. So Venus is retrograde till the 26th or 27th of January. So please take care of your emotions. Please take care of your emotional health. It's going to be a roller coaster ride till then. So it's like a period, a shift that will pass. So till then, just take care of yourself, be patient, be calm, and relax and meditate. Everything is going to be fine. Take care. God bless you. Namaste.